got breaking news to bring you. New jobs numbers for January have been released, and they are much better than expected. The U.S. economy added 467,000 jobs during the month, significantly higher than consensus estimates. Here to help us understand the numbers is NBC News senior business reporter Ben Popken. So, Ben, let's break it down. I think the estimates I saw were anywhere from losing 400,000 jobs to gaining 250,000. That in itself was an unusually wide estimate, and the final number falls outside of that. So what's going on here? How surprising is this?
This is a big surprise. This is a monster jobs report. People were, as you said, expecting there to be declines. We saw the payrolls going up 467,000. We have to remember the jobs report is a survey. So they were talking to workers at the peak of Omicron in mid-January. So there was all sorts of expectations that people who were out and were not getting paid that week, that those jobs were going to show up as evaporated. Even administration officials were going on Twitter to sort of warn about, issues with the data collection. So everyone expected the number to be bad. If you think the number is going to be bad, then you sort of you talk trash about the tool. But this is really good news for showing for the growth for the economy, that even amidst the surge, employers are still continuing to add workers. Some of the biggest growth seen in leisure and hospitality. That's super important because those are pandemic exposed numbers. Also a lot in temporary help services, which is interesting. Even though they're being aggressive, employers are still not committing to full-time employees in the professional services in case the variant turns again.
So, Ben, could this jobs report have any impact on plans by the Federal Reserve? Might this mean raising interest rates faster than initially planned?
What it means, what the signal it sends is it affirms the federal plan that we're going to see them continue to stick with their plan to raise rates. There was concern that if this was a weak report, maybe they would slow things down. But it looks like full steam ahead. We're looking at least 3 quarter-point rate raises are predicted for the rest of the year. The Fed plan is going forward.
And the unemployment rate is now 4%. It was 3.9%, right? But the month before, so really just a tiny change there.
Yes, exactly. A small increase in the in the unemployment rate. I'm just cruising through these numbers right here that came through, but. We're still down 1.9 million jobs from the start of the pandemic. That's 2.9 million, I'm sorry, which is good news. Employment's up 19.1 million since April 2020, but we still have that, last kind of core of people. How do we get them back to work? Are they going to go back to work? How do we address the lingering COVID concerns that are affecting this part of the workforce to keep the economy going full steam ahead?
All right. Interesting, Ben. Thanks for looking up that number for us. We appreciate it.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.